So Microsoft Learn is the official learning platform for Microsoft, as you'd expect. So here I have filtered it down to Power BI, beginner, and the learning path. So here I've done these learning paths, which is prepare and visualize the data and describe the business value of the data is beginner. And then you can do dashboard in a day, workshop, and then these are Azure related process mining. But these learning paths are excellent. I enjoyed them. They can be a little bit word heavy, but they go through the basics, the data modeling concepts, visuals, DAX introductions, and it takes you through nice exercises. And also, many of them have sandboxes, which is internally opened within the actual tutorial itself, which gives you a hands-on approach, which all lead to credentials. And now the Microsoft tests I've done them are very, very difficult. I thought I could just go in and not do them, but even with extensive work with Power BI that I have over the last 5 years, I still had to study for the credentials. But they lead up to it. Some of them are short modules, step-by-step exercises, and how Power BI is meant to be used. Microsoft Learn will show you. I didn't really know it existed until someone pointed it on to me many years ago, and it's come a long way since then. So these are all self-paced, self-taught. You can do online training through this as well. I think it costs, but these are an excellent way to give yourself an upper hand. So a rule to remember really with Microsoft Learn, it's the official foundation. There's many out there that sort of do this, but this is the official foundation. And the practice will give you a real understanding.